Welcome back to my vlog channel. I'm on the way from Kingston Warves and boy am I tired. So we're at the toll right now. This is the Jamaican toll. Anybody know what Jamaica toll road look like or the toll? This is the Jamaican toll. Alright. I think it's a bit foggy. I'm trying to get it as clear as I can get. Thank you. Yeah, so that are the tag lane. But this is not our vehicle, so and them not have any tag. So we're just gonna pay. And so this is a bus, a minibus. So you're going to see how much you pay at the Jamaica toll for a minibus. This leg of the highway is the PJ Patterson Highway. Yeah, Highway 2000. The first leg of toll. Alright, so that vehicle in front of us just paid $550 and it says it's a first class vehicle. Alright, so for a second class vehicle it's $810. $810. That's what we just paid. So here's the receipt. Let me get that clear up. What? So 810 and second class vehicle. So we have one. So we have another toll before we are off the highway. That toll is in Clarendon now. Not quite. Not quite. But we're close to Clarendon. Here are the glass. There's a bigger one, I think, now. That one takes you to St. Anne and other parishes. That's a big highway. And those are the emergency number you call if you have any difficulties on the toll. So this is what it is like driving on the Jamaican highway. They just redid the surface, so it's pretty smooth. I'm not sure if they redid the other side, but I know they just redid this side. Smooth sailing going in. Takes you to Mandeville, St. Elizabeth, Negril, Westmoreland, all those places. Alright, so I'm going to show you. That's Old Harbour? No, that's not Old Harbour. That's what, St. Catherine? wharf today and they have this thing called pre-clearance. Guys, do not do pre-clearance. Alright? It's just a big scam if you ask me. Alright, so this road takes you to Freetown. You turn left. Couple chains down the road, you turn left, it will take you to Freetown. Alright, so as I was saying, this pre-clearance thing that they have going at Kingston Wharf, it's just a big scam. Alright, it's a big scam. There's this shipping company, but I paid $32,200 for 2 barrels, right? At pre-clearance. They said the office charge is, I think, $3,500. And let me tell you something. When I went upstairs to them, and because they say all you have to do, come pay the money, they're gonna do everything for you, clear everything, pay all the fees, the custom duty, everything, so you won't have that hassle, and then you'd get through fast and be able to, go back to your other business quicker. So I said, all right, this sounds good. Them sell themselves well good. So I bought into it and I said, all right, I want the pre-clearance. They asked for my ID and TRN for me to send a picture of it. I sent it to them. When I went upstairs, they said they sent downstairs for some blue papers, which is the gate pass, and to finalize some things. So I have to wait a while. I waited about half an hour to 40 minutes upstairs. You see, after I waited upstairs and I went downstairs, now they give me the gate pass, and I went to get the barrel. We waited outside 3 hours, almost 3.5 hours we waited outside. And nobody was saying nothing to us. There was the longest line I ever see from I'm going to Warves. And everybody's saying it's because everybody's now doing this new thing called pre-clearance. So it's like, I think they have to go in there, the persons, the shipping company, and probably look through with customs. I don't know, but I don't trust it either, because when you go inside, you can check and see things for yourself, and people will tell you that this is on top, and you'll see this there or that there, but you don't know. So you don't know if I just say, I was just gonna try it to see how it works out. But boy, I was disappointed. Pre-clearance is a big scam. Don't do any pre-clearance with your barrels, okay? If you have a shipping company now that's willing to take it to do the clearance and bring it to your yard, then that's a different thing. And you set your date and say that's the day they're gonna come. But you doing pre-clearance and having to go and pick it up yourself, it will not work out. Trust me, they will have you there waiting like a log all day. And when we went to the security to find out what was going on, because everybody was there quarreling. I see somebody there said they're there 5 hours, and they were mad, upset about this pre-clearance thing, because they sell it to you so nice. We can do all that for you, man. Don't worry, you can just relax and we'll take care of that. But there's an office charge though, and you have to pay it, right? It better you go there yourself and just navigate your way through from one department to the other. Because if I had done that, I knew I would have gotten through and reach home already. And try to bring up your people-person skills, because you're gonna need it. Because some of these workers, their attitude, trust me, bring a lot more patience, knowing that you're not gonna get what you paid for. It's crazy at the wharf, trust me. Don't do pre-clearance. Remember, I tell you, unless they're bringing it to your yard, don't do it. It's not worth it. It's a big scam.